welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. So today's video is all about testing out viral TikTok hacks part 2. If you're living under the earth and you did not know that I'd earlier posted about testing out viral TikTok hacks part 1, then you should probably stop this video, press the link in the description box for the part 1 and then come over here to watch the part 2. I'm really excited to check out the viral hack. I really don't know what these hacks have for us, but I'm really excited to test them. So I hope you guys are excited too. If you are, please don't forget to hit the like button, and without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's see what the first hack has it for us. Whoa, that hack was really A1. We know these surgical masks are very boring to wear. So to spice up masks with beautiful designs are kind of very expensive. So we can do it at home with just a few supplies. Let's start off with the first hack.
Oh, come on. What's he... Sir, I think you got the wrong
So
one.
first thing, I drew cute little dinosaurs on the mask, 4 up, 4 down, and painted them the same way the girl did. You can do any color of your choice.
And ta-da! We are completely done with it. Well, my dinosaurs were supposed to be a little small and cute like the girl's TikTok, but unfortunately because of my drawing it became a little big, like how dinosaurs are supposed to be. So I don't think so that's any problem. But here it is. I really loved how this turned out, and I'm gonna wear this and show you guys how it looks. And well, it looks really good over here, but the problem is my effort I've put on doing these cute dinosaurs down here are not being seen. But anyways, this is the way you can spice up your masks by doing your own DIY on it. So I would give this a pass, and now let's move on with the next hack. Okay, so now it's time for the second hack. Well, in minutes she got this influencer glasses. So I really want to give this video a big try, and I hope it works. So let's begin. All you need for this hack is she took 2 transparent spoons, and I got those. And she also used a fork, a strip of fork, that one stick of that fork, like the 3 you understand.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use another transparent spoon, and I'm gonna cut the end of it because it's kind of same. And let's see whether this works. And you need fire. Now if you want to try this out, then please do try it under the supervision of someone elder than you, or have someone elder than you to assist. Let's start. Okay.
For a trouble
Earthquake.
Yep,
We're
we
having
got
an earthquake.
So we're gonna put the fire over here for a few seconds so that it bends, it melts and bends. Oh! It bent! Would it bend over here? First spoon, I'm gonna take the other. It'll take a few tries. Okay, so we have done 1 spoon, and now let's do the other. Oh god, I'm so excited for this. So we are half in the way, and it kind of looks like an influencer glass from here, but we need to fix them together. Okay, we'll try it again.
The next day. 6 months later. 1 eternity later.
It's guys. Okay, I don't know if you can see the structure.
One eternity later.
Bed. I don't know how. I feel bad. I'm really scared. Like, so the girl did not teach. This is an extra step by Stephanie. I'm gonna teach you how to make the extra end of the glasses. No, we're gonna attempt to do it. This is our third time doing it. We're not gonna. Our influencer glasses are done, and now it's the. It's the. I don't know if you guys can notice. Like, I'm straight. My glasses. This is not gonna fit my face. I'm broad here. It's fun. Wait a minute. Look. Ignore the wax. That's why I can't see. Dude, this is not. I've officially given up, guys. I've tried this so many times and it's not working.
It actually works.
You need it would work actually, but you need a lot of patience, which I don't have right now. This dirty mess we created here. Try it once. If it does not work, don't try it again because it's plastic and burning plastic is really bad. With that being said, this is like a complete fail from my side, but I know it would work. Anyways, let's move on with the next hack. So now move on with our third hack.
No face, no case. Bet I hit the first night, first date. Put that thing all on my face.
Hands down for this. Did you just see her? She did not have a ring light. That's in my case. I do not have a ring light. But the way she just transformed, she just switched on the TV and just typed on YouTube ring light and that glow on her face. I really want to put this for a try. Let's see whether this works. Ring light over there, and we got a ring light screen over here and over there. Now I'm gonna put this into a selfie mode and check whether this works. Okay, so this is like without the ring light. Now my sister's gonna press it. I mean, and this is with the ring light. I mean, you can see my dark circles popping out here. Like if you don't have a ring light, it's good, but I also feel it's because of the light above over here. Like there's a light right above me over here, so it might be because of that too. So we're gonna switch this off and check whether it works. Oh my god, guys, you can see when you get a ring light, you get that cute spark on your eyes. Wow, I mean, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. This hack is a pass and it works. It's so good. Third one was a pass. Now let's move on with the next one. Wow. So now you guys saw you just need a tea bag for that. And you need a fire. Now since there's fire used up in this, again, someone held it to you to assist you while doing this if you want to try out the hack. Now we're gonna try this out and see whether this works. So let's begin. Now I have my you have to take the tea powder and empty it on a plate. But by mistake, I emptied it on my sister's phone, which was kept right here.
It's my phone?
Yeah. Happy realization. Now when you empty it, you have to create a tube kind of thing. Stand still on the plate like this, like this, okay? And the next thing you have to do is you need to take a candle and you need to light it up. Like, lighter is also perfect, but we don't have a lighter at home. And you need to put it on right above this. Oh god. Oh god, can you stand? Wow, it's standing. Okay guys, we're gonna, oh shit. Since this side is more even, I'm gonna make it, I just noticed it, so I'm gonna make it ulta. I mean, like, I'm gonna make it reverse. Oh, sorry. Upside down, I'm sorry. I don't have my school going on right now. So you should understand. Guys, and now it's time. Okay? Okay, it's working. What if it doesn't work? Do we have water? Wait.
What are you doing?
Do we have water? Wait, I don't know. Oh god. What the hell? Thought this would fly. This didn't fly. Excuse me. Now that was a complete fail. I expected it to work, but it did not work. So now let's move on with our next hack.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher than a
Okay guys, well, I'll show you inside. It's not at all swirly. Now we're gonna spin it. Oh, 1. Ouch. 2.
Okay, we're gonna count this as 3. Sorry. 4.
Now we're gonna open it up. I hope it works. Are you ready? Oh. That was supposed to work. My peanut butter is in the same position. Okay, so that was a fail.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
That didn't work. I should have not named it as testing viral TikTok hacks part 2. I should have named it proving these life hacks don't work. Anyways, that was a fail. The previous one was a fail. We have the spirit in us right now. Yes! Now let's move on with our second last hack.
Thing about opening your windows. So you go hold down the unlock button. Yeah, someone.
Okay, fascinating fact. I have the same key the girl has used in the TikTok, and that's not the same car though. We have Nissan Patrol, and this is the key the girl had too. So since it's a Nissan car, it would be the same for all the cars. Maybe not, but we're gonna give it a try and see whether this works. So let's go to the parking lot. Okay, so we are in the parking lot now, and here's the car key and here's the car. So the TikTok is you have to press the unlock button continuously and the windows of the car will open. So we're gonna give it a try and see whether this works. Okay, guys, the window's opened! The window's opened! Oh my god! Oh my god! Unbelievable! There's no one in the car. My mom, dad, everyone are here with me, and we all are mesmerized. So this was a pass, guys. This was a pass.
See your iPhone camera flashing. Please step back, it's my style, you're cramping. You here for long, oh no, I'm just passing. Do you wanna drink? No, thanks for asking.
I don't have the Garnier micellar, so I'm gonna be using the Nivea micellar water, and you just need cotton pads. Now the thing you have to do is you have to blow out on any side, and it says foam would come out. Did you see it?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, hi everyone. This was a pass and it worked. Finally, at least done. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. Do comment down below if you want more vlogs, because my mom's birthday vlogs views were 230 views crossed. So I'm really happy for that, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, you'll get a small bell don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to comment down below the question of the day, which was your favorite hack out of these? And please don't forget to hit a big like on this video. It would mean a lot for me. Spread lots of love and positivity. Stay safe and love you guys. Keep that smile on your face, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.